remedies. Okay, so there are five families of Ophidia group remedies. So first is Elapidia family. In Elapidia family, these remedies are Bungarus fasciatus, Bungarus ceruleus, Dendroaspis, coral snakes, Elaps corallinus, cobra, Naja tripudius, and Naja nigrocolis, Notachis, oxyuranus. In family Hydrophilidia, we can see Hydropis cynosinthus. In family Viperidia, subfamilies are there. So in subfamily Viperinia, we will see Vitis arientus, Vipera, Vipera aspis, Vipera communis, Vipera redi. In subfamily Crotalinia, we can see Bothrops atrox, Bothrops lanceolatus, Sancris, Crotalus cascavala, Crotalus horridus, Lachesis, Toxicophis. In family Boidia, we can see Anaconda, boa constrictor python. And lastly, in family Colubridia, we can see Natrix natrix and Lamprobeltis. So let's start with first Bungarus. So I'll try to cover most of the remedies, but mostly the unused or very rare remedies, the features I will try to show. Because in this short span time, it's really difficult to cover all details of all the remedies, but I will try my best. So let's start about Bungarus. So there are two types of Bungarus, Bungarus ceruleus and Bungarus fasciatus. So what are Bungarus individuals? How are they? So they are very open, they are unrefined and frank. But despite the openness, they are not fickle-minded. They are very sharp, quite sharp people they are. So how you can use clinically Bungarus, how you will be able to use. So these drugs are neurotoxic. As I told you, poisons are of 4 types. So this drug belongs to neurotoxic group. So these drugs are neurotoxic and have a very good action on central nervous system. So in central nervous system, it causes infantile paralysis and poliomyelitis. So what is nucleus of the remedy? So in Bungarus बोलती है आपके माइंड में क्या क्या चीजें आ जानी चाहिए? So there will be infantile paralysis, acute polioencephalitis and poliomyelitis, and his persistent dreams of black and white banded snake, as you can see in the picture. So there is always persistent dream present in Bungarus. So this is nucleus of the remedy which need to be remembered. Next is Elaps corallinus. Elaps corallinus are this thin and small snake, colorful snake, as you can see in the picture. So this flow chart will help you to remember all the physical and mental symptoms of Elaps corallinus very easily. So you can see there is always this, the core of the crux of this remedy is fear. So there is a lot of fear present in Elaps corallinus remedy. So they have all sort of anxiety related to health, anxiety about dear ones. And in anxiety, usually children bite nails, fingernails. They have habit of biting their fingernails even in sleep. Even in sleep, when children bite their nails. If you have any case or mother says that ये नींद में भी अपने दांत चबाता है, ये दांत ही करता है, तो then you can think of Elaps corallinus. And when you can ask further, so usually these children have desire to play on grass, on ground, and they have desire to travel a lot. But there is always some thought of, they are very playful, very joyful, very playful, but they are always in threat. There is fear always, and fear is to get injured or to get tormented by the society or surrounding. So in this fear will lead them to this habit of biting their nails and also chattering of teeth. So this ऐसे दांत चबाते जो है वो भी हैबिट्स होती है छोटे बच्चों में, and they do it in even in sleep. So they have fear of being alone, okay, and they have frightful dreams. Dreams of fight, dreams of embracing dead bodies, and delusions like Drodies are there. There is the delusion that they hear some sort of voice, delusion something terrible is going to happen. So this all there is, and due to this fright, usually these people or Elaps corallinus people like to stay alone. They don't like to mix with other, but due to this fear, there starts the desire for company. Okay, then the desire for company starts from here because of this fear. Otherwise, they like to stay alone. They don't like to mix with others. And when when the fear grows, so they start this aversion to work, and a conversation will aggravate, irritability, then desire to hide, company aversion, and go away to countryside. All these symptoms will come up when a fear will grow. So very fearful remedy. So all types of fears are present in it, but you can use this in when children have habit of eating their nails, biting their fingernails in during sleep, and also chattering of teeth. So very good result. So, but what happened in elapse? Elapse are people who like to be in good books of all, good books of everyone. They want to seek good opinion of others. So, how we can compare it with Palladium? So, in Palladium also we have this desire to have good opinion of others. Okay, in Palladium we have desire for flattery. Main remedy is Palladium, but this is also present in elapse. So how to differentiate between these two remedies, how you can compare? So what happened in Palladium? In Palladium, people feel neglected if others do not have a good opinion about them. Hence, they even go out of their way to do things to please the opposite person. So there is always desire for flattery and longing for good opinion of other. This is the core of Palladium. But on the other hand, in Elapse, what happened? Elapse also seeks good opinion of other. They want to be in good books of other, but they try to maintain their image. Okay, they will try कि हमसे कोई ऐसे काम ना हो, कोई ऐसी गलती ना हो जिससे हमारी इमेज लोगों की नजरों में खराब हो जाए. So they always try to maintain their good their image so that they might not lose their position in society. But comparison is Palladium can go beyond, they can go out of their way to please the opposite person. उसको खुश करने के लिए वो अपने out of way जाके खुश कर सकते हैं ताकि वो उस पर्सन की तारीफ कर सके. बट इलैप्स में ये चीज नहीं होती. इलैप्स अपनी इमेज को ही इस तरह से मेंटेन करते हैं कि लोग उनके बारे में अच्छा सोचे. तो इलैप्स आर मोर वरीड. They do not lose their position in society, and Palladium has lot of desire for flattery. उन्हें चाहते हैं कि झूठी हो सच्ची हो कैसी भी हो बस उनकी तारीफ होती रहे. तो दिस इज बेसिक डिफरेंस. Okay, next is Naja. So let's start with Naja tripudians. So Naja, we know most of the students about Naja, but Naja में there is conflict. Okay, there is split. So Naja people are very duty oriented, very conscientious people, very duty oriented people, but there is always a split in mind, always a conflict present in the mind. And the conflict is to do or not to do. This conflict is always present. So they have sense of duality. This is the core of the remedy, sense of duality. So what they do, like for example, Dr. Farooq Master wrote about Naja in his book that there is a daughter-in-law syndrome. So daughter-in-law syndrome is a girl after marriage will like to do things, okay, but she will do it because it's her duty. ये मेरी duty है और मेरी responsibility और मुझे करनी ही है. So it's not compulsory that she will feel happy by doing it. ऐसे भी हो सकता है किसी लड़की को करना हो रहा है, घर का काम करना पड़ रहा है, बस उसके दिल में या उसके मन में ये है कि उसे अपना करियर करना है, बाहर जाके जॉब करनी है. तो अब मैं जॉब करूं या घर संभालूं. तो दिस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज देयर, दिस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज प्रेजेंट. तो ये चीज होती है कि अब मेरा काम है, मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, इट्स माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आई हैव टू फुलफिल इट, आई एम डॉटर इन लॉ, आई शुड डू इट. एंड देन अगेन द थॉट कम, बट even I want to achieve my, I want to pursue my career also. So this duality comes in Naja. Always this duality is present in Naja. So and this duality will lead to anxiety. Okay, this duality leads to depression. So okay, they have lot of grief. Then they don't, share their things very easily. They hide it inside. There's lot of grief, and this grief can lead to lot of symptoms of heart troubles. Then there starts lot of delusion that's under some superhuman control. Delusion of that fear of failure starts, and they become very irresolution starts. So they become very irresolute. They can't decide. Okay, so डिसीजन इजीली नहीं ले पाते हैं नाजा पीपल. एंड लो सेल्फ एस्टीम, वेरी लो कॉन्फिडेंस, and then confusion of his identity, then antagonism of self, then two train of thoughts, contradiction of wills, all these things start. And very important symptom which is present in Naja is fear of rain. Fear of rain, whenever there is present in any patient, extreme fear of rain, So always think of Naja, and you just confirm the remedy with other symptoms. Uh, when you see doctor of signature of Naja, so you can see that during rainy season, the water enters the burrow of this snake, Naja snake, and you can correlate it that the patients of Naja have this fear of rain. So always these things are present. And to avoid all this confusion, this thoughts, Naja wants to keep themselves occupied, busy. When they are busy, when they are occupied, they feel good. So anxiety about family members, then they perform their duty, very duty oriented people, but there is always a brooding over imaginary troubles, depression, low self-esteem, confidence want of. Okay, so all these things are present. And there are delusions also. Delusions has suffered wrong, delusion that he has neglected his duty, delusion that everything is wrong. All these delusions are present in Naja. So this is important. So this C, with this C, you can easily remember the physical complaints of Naja. So C4, there are cramps are present, lots of cramps are present in this remedy, then coldness, then loss of control of sphincter. So there can be involuntary urination, diarrhea, then there is craving for stimulant, then cyanosis is present, then constriction of the throat, then there is tendency to take cold very easily, then confusion of the mind, contradiction of will. And one more thing is whenever this snake bite to any human being, the person is always conscious, even after bite of snake. So consciousness even after sting, this is also present. Cardiac affections, because elements from grief, and the grief always settle in heart. So there is always cardiac affections, and there is annual coryza is present. So with this help of C, you can remember the physical complaints of Naja very easily. So what is the prescriptive totality? What all things you need to confirm before prescribing Naja? So there should be a strong sense of duty. Then there should be a sense of duality, antagonism. Then delusion that she has neglected her duty. Then fear of rain. All the complaints of Naja settle in heart. Then there is excruciating headache with all the complaints. Very, very excruciating headache is always present in Naja, and left-sided affection. This is also important. Left-sided complaints are present. Okay, so how you will compare? So there is always, as I told you, in Naja, they are very duty-oriented people, very conscientious people. The same thing is same thing is also present in Aurum Metallicum. So how we can compare? So both have strong sense of duty, both have self-reproach, both have feeling as if neglected duty, both things that one does everything wrong, and there is utter worthlessness. So how to differentiate? So in Naja, there is a high sense of morality and duty. They are conscientious towards their family or organization, but there is always a split in them as to do what they wish or do what they ought to do from a sense of duty. तो मतलब नाजा में ऑलरेडी दो माइंड हो गए, मतलब जो मेरा फर्ज है या जो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है मैं वो करूं, या जो मेरा दिल बोलता है या मेरी जो इच्छा है मैं वो करूं. तो ऑलवेज दिस कंफ्यूजन इज प्रेजेंट इन जो क्योंकि मैं एक बहू हूँ या मैं एक डॉटर इन लॉ हूँ, मेरी ड्यूटी है घर संभालना, फैमिली की तरफ देखना, तो मैं वो करूं, या मेरे करियर करना भी मुझे करियर भी करना है, या मेरा दिल बोल रहा है इसलिए मैं करियर करूं. तो व्हाट टू डू? दिस ड्युअलिटी, मतलब वो काम सब करेंगे बट दे नेवर एंजॉय इट, बिकॉज ऑलवेज उनके माइंड में चलते रहता है करना है इसीलिए करते हैं नाजा पीपल. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड ऑरम मेटालिकम जो होते हैं, they are very just and honest, so they are extremely dependable and love to take on responsibility. तो औरम में क्या होता है, उसे पता होता है कि ये मेरा काम है, मुझे करना है, तो दे इंजॉय. औरम पीपल लाइक टू टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन, अब मेरे ऊपर आ गया है, अब करना ही पड़ेगा, कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं है. ये चीज औरम में नहीं होती, ये नाजा में है कि अब कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं, करना ही है क्योंकि ये मेरा काम है. बट औरम में होता है वो अपने आप से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और लेते हैं और उसे अच्छी तरह से वो निभाते हैं, बिकॉज दे इंजॉय डूइंग इट. तो नाजा इंजॉय नहीं करेगा, करना है इसलिए कर रहा है नाजा, बट औरम उसको इंजॉय करता है। कोई स्प्लिट ऑरम में प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है, लेकिन नाजा में कंफ्यूजन होता है, करूँ या नहीं करूँ। तो ये चीज नाजा में होगी, ऑरम में नहीं होती है। और फीलिंग ऑफ सफर रॉन्ग थोड़ी सी स्ट्रॉन्ग नाजा में होती है। So okay, this was the differentiation between naja and aurum metallicum. So moving forward, next is vipera. Okay,